Hello guys, welcome to my channel Random Videos. We are going to see how to open the Triton shower head. I was facing some difficulty opening it, so that's the reason I'm trying to make this video so that it can be helpful to others. So as you can see, there is a side button on the shower head, so just push that button and use the handle. So push the side button and use the handle and move it clockwise, and then try to pull it up. Oh yeah, it's coming, so try to pull it up hard. Okay, so this way we are able to open it. So this way you can open it. You can see there is some salt deposited on it, so you can clean it using the shower. Okay, so this way you can clean it using the water, and you can also use pointed pin to unblock the pores. So once it is cleaned, get it wiped with the dry cloth, and try to close it. So to fix it, just follow the same process. The head and button should be at the same position. Also see the notches. So with the matching notches, just push hard and move the handle clockwise, anti-clockwise. Yeah, thanks for watching.